To my YouTube channel is this vlog. Today guys, it's raining day. First time in the blue moon of Oman, it's rain. So we are now on the way going to work guys. See what will happen this one guys. Some of the people here are on a holiday, some of the companies, but for us, we are still kicking on the road and going to work guys. This is it. See? We're only once a year. It's making a rain. So for sure, if this rain is until night, for sure we are expected a flood on the roads. See how much raining and the roads. Yes guys, see, some people are very maingat sa pagdadrive kasi maulan. Yun. Unlike Philippines, if they have floods, nobody care. But here, little rains, too much floods on the road. And see how is it, guys. It's nice for us. It's very nice to have a rain, but it is a problem. Problem on how can we go to our home, because if this rain is continuing, how can we pass by our car on the road going to our home? And we cannot walk also guys. How we can walk until the knee, below the knee, the water after. See? This is it guys. This is how it's in Al-Khawer area. This is in Muscat, Oman. This is Radisson Blue. See, all of these things are accessible. So here. So how is the dates? The dates trees were very happy because they have rain. Yeah. See. We are in the middle of the road going to work. Some people are lucky they have holiday, but for us, nothing. Nothing. Rain or shine, we have work, guys. So what we can do, this is the life of OFW. No pause, no return, no stop. Continuing work. Kasi hindi kinaya ng taxi ang ulan, kaya siya huminto dyan. Wow. You look this guys walking. She's enjoying the rain. Oh my goodness. No one. For sure we don't have patience today. Because mostly of people here are scared for rain. Sa, haven't you? Yes. We are scared for rain guys. So now we are almost to our workplace guys. This is welcome to Al-Hakim. It's a brand new day for us again. This is Al-Hakim guys. This is my workplace. We are reaching now our destination. Thank you guys. Have a safe everything and keep safe people of Oman.